Hello guys, good evening. How is your day today? Today is Sunday, it's a family day. I hope you will be able to spend time with your family. Remember, family is very important in all. God and family, the very important things in life. Because if your family gone, that's the time you miss them. You gonna regret that you don't even spend time with them while they are still alive. Like me, I miss to spend time with my parents, but my parents, they died long time ago. My father died when I was only 6 years old, and my mother died when I was 19. I have 3 sisters and 2 brothers. But since I start working 14 years old, since then I wasn't able to spend time with my brother and sister because they live in the different cities. When I go vacation, mostly I spend time with my other brother 3 days or 4 days, and my other brother the same 3 days or 4 days, and my sister 3 days or 4 days, and another sister 2 days or 4 days, like that, because I only have 1 month every time I go vacation. And my sister who is in Saudi now, we did not see each other for more than 20 years since she was working abroad, because she went abroad ahead than me. When she went abroad first time, went abroad in Saudi before. I'm still working in Manila, Ayala, Alabang. Since then, we did not see each other in person. We just talk in the telephone or in online like this, video call or chatting in the FB Messenger. I miss my sibling, but what to do? I need to work to survive, so that I be able to help them also financially when they have problem or there is emergency happen in their family. I can be able to help them in a small or simple way. That's all guys. When you still have family, make sure to spend time with your family while they are still alive, so that you won't regret whatever happened to you or to them. You have a good memory to remember. You cannot regret that your family gone and then you don't have time. You did not able to spend time with them. Bye guys, good night, sweet dreams, sleep well, sleep tight. See you tomorrow, bye.